blending classic American muscle with a touch of modern flair. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Road King might just be your next ride. In this video, Next Gen Reviews dives deep into why this iconic cruiser is turning heads again, and why it might be the best Road King yet. Stick around. We're breaking down every detail that matters. Timeless design meets modern detail. At first glance, the 2025 Road King stays true to its roots, with that unmistakable heritage styling, chrome accents, large front fender, and signature Hiawatha headlamp. But Harley has subtly updated its profile. New LED lighting, a refined saddle design, and streamlined hard saddlebags give it a sleeker, more purposeful look without losing its nostalgic charm. Power that commands the road. Under the hood, the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine makes its Road King debut, delivering more torque and smoother acceleration than ever. Whether you're cruising highways or carving back roads, the enhanced powertrain and revised suspension offer a ride that feels both commanding and refined. Tech that enhances, not distracts. This year, Harley strikes a perfect balance between tradition and innovation. A minimalist TFT display replaces analog gauges without overwhelming the rider. Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride modes add modern convenience while preserving the bike's old-school spirit. Is the 2025 Road King worth it? For riders who value timeless design with real road power, the 2025 Road King delivers. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. If you're thinking of upgrading, this might be the moment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews, only on Next Gen Reviews.